United, even though they have won 26 of the last 42 games in the previous encounters, but in the recent 5 games there have been 4 draws. Now Southampton are looking a very strong unit the way they are playing, and I believe that a lot of people would fancy them upsetting United also. Now, United, one thing we are again, obviously, everything is hovering around Bruno Fernandes, how he's playing, and I think he is a fulcrum of almost everything which is happening at United at the moment. But interestingly, Southampton is looking for its fourth win, and United have been impressive that all the 7 games away they have actually won. So that's from the last 7 games which they have played. I am inclined to go to United beating Southampton 2-1, and I would say it with tongue in my cheek, but I think this is a possibility. Rajat, again, Dream 11 picks for this game.
देखिए, as you rightly said, Bruno Fernandes is running the show. He's running the show not only for United but in terms of his Dream 11 potential, his Fantasy League potential. So the person has become an automatic pick. मतलब उसके बारे में अगर हम किसी को information दे रहे हैं, there's nothing new. Moving over to other players, I think United के तरफ से Aaron Wan-Bissaka, Marcus Rashford, Luke Shaw भी injured है, although he was doing really well in the last couple of games when he was playing. तो अभी उनकी जगह पे Alex Telles, Harry Maguire and Victor Lindelof, although they've always been on the receiving end, but they seem to score a lot of points in Dream 11 system क्योंकि काफ़ी blocks, clearances वगैरह करने का उनको मौका मिलता है. Either of Scott McTominay or Nemanja Matic you can also pick. Paul Pogba, you never know whether he will start or not. Anthony Martial has been off the boil, so depending on starting 11 आप देखिए किसको pick कर सकते हैं. Goalkeepers में I think you will need to go for Southampton's goalkeeper because United is going to come out all guns blazing. Moving to Southampton player, Danny Ings का बहुत high potential है but he's injured so he won't be playing. James Ward-Prowse, Che Adams, Kyle Walker-Peters, Westergaard, Oriel Remix.